HOD sir. So
Yes.
now we can call our secretary sir, sir, because we already received sufficient participants.
Okay.
So
Okay.
meanwhile, I will
I'll
admit
inform
them.
to sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll inform to secretary sir to join.
Okay. I request all the participants to please be with us for a few minutes. Once our secretary sir joins, we can start our session. Thank you. Yeah. Okay. Why is okay? I request all the participants please be with us. Within few minutes, our secretary sir is going to join. Once sir joins, we will start our session. Meanwhile, I request all the participants please mute your audio and disable the video and don't present your screen. Thank you.
sir, please wait 2 minutes. Secretary sir is discussing with some others through phone. He will.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Uh, okay, sir. Do it later. We will do.
Good evening to everyone. This is Dr. Suresh, HOD of EC department. Sorry for the delay. Please wait 2-3 minutes. Our secretary sir is discussing some important call, so he will join within couple of minutes. So please don't mistake us. So please wait 1 or 2 minutes.
If you open this boundary. Good evening, everyone. We are really sorry for the delay. We are waiting for our secretary, sir. Meanwhile, as you know, in our FDP, Madam has given some extra activities for more kind of learning. So, in that process, Madam has used Flipkart to record, to practice the recording. The participants are created or recorded their own videos as part of this extra activity. So, meanwhile, let us hear those videos.
Good morning, one and all. Myself, Nageshwarrao Parapalli, working as Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science and Engineering from Spurti Engineering College. Day 1 lectures are very much useful not only for creating videos but also having live interactive sessions with the students as well as faculty friends. Thank you.
Hi friends, this is Neil Neelavanan from Dr. Magalin College of Engineering and Technology. I am working as assistant professor in Department of Mechanical Engineering. My college is located in Pollachi. It is in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. I am very happy to be part of this webinar. Thank you very much for adding me.
Hi everyone, this is Anil Kumar, working as an assistant professor of Mechanical Engineering Department from Spurti Engineering College, Hyderabad. Actually, this COVID-19 has given an opportunity to learn many online tools for teaching, but the way of organizing or conducting this FDP, that is virtual teaching, is extremely good. So, congratulations to EC department, SPHM. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Srijit S. Nair, working as an assistant professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, Dr. Mahalingam College of Engineering and Technology, Pollachi, Tamil Nadu. Thank you.
Hello, Purna sir. Hello. Hello.
Sir. Hello. Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, I think our secretary sir also joined.
Okay, sir. Thank you. So shall we start, sir?
Just wait. Once again, I will check. Yeah, sir joined already.
Okay.
Please you proceed.
Okay, thank you, sir. I request Loknath sir or Tirupati sir. Sir, is my voice and the screen is okay? Are you able to hear my voice and the screen?
Yes, Purna, it is clear.
Thank you so much, sir. So once again, good evening to all. Respected Secretary sir and HOD sir and my dear EC department faculty and the instructors of this FDP and the faculty participants. I welcome you to this valedictory session of online faculty development program, virtual teaching, self-learning mode FDP for 1 week. So we came to the end of this FDP, that is last day. So as you know, because of this COVID-19, a lot of teaching and learning is happening over online. So when this process is going on in online, we have been seeing different tools which are using for taking online classes or online meetings and to create interactive videos and to conduct assessments and to create more kind of this online lecture materials. So much is happening. So we EC department has taken this present scenario and we consider the necessity of this virtual teaching in online. So that we came with this wonderful FDP called virtual teaching, which is self-learning mode FDP, which is delivered through Genomio. So nowadays, after this Moodle, this Genomio is becoming famous. It is similar to say Moodle. So we have delivered this content using Genomio. I am happy to inform you that we have received total number of registrations as 100. From Telangana state, we received 67, and from other states, we received 33. Out of these 100 registrations, the internal faculty, from our Spurti Engineering College, the count is 37, and the external faculty count is 63. The course content is delivered day-wise, and day-wise we released the quizzes. We have received a wonderful responses and reflections in these quizzes and as well as the extra activities. Just now we have seen a few of the participants, how they have participated in the extra activities. I must say, in this situation or in this era or in this time, every faculty is learning new things to teach, and also is teaching new things to learn more. So always I say teach to learn and learn to teach. The exact the madam, our coordinator madam, Miss Bindu Bhavani madam, implemented this process. So let us hear how this FDP is started, what is the background work, how it is went on, and let us hear the glimpse of this FDP in madam's words. Now I request the FDP coordinator, Miss Bindu Bhavani madam, to give the glimpse of this FDP. Over to you, madam. You can unmute yourself.
Good evening, dear faculty, HOD sir, and our secretary Jagannath sir. So, as Purna sir has said, all of us are trying to update our online teaching skills. So, we are attending various FTPs and online courses. One such program which I have attended is a hands-on workshop on virtual teaching, where I have learned about Genomio, which is a free version of Moodle learning management system. So in this learning management system, we can share our videos and we can create assessment tools. So this is the first online MOOC course I thought of creating. With the help of our department faculty, I have created this Genomio site and the course which is virtual teaching. Sir, can you go to next slide? Hello. So the first day one is creation of videos. Srujan sir, Shalja madam, Jyoti madam and myself have taken up various tools which are used for creation of videos like OBS, Screencastify, various mobile recording apps. And one additional activity which was added for the day one was Flipgrid. Flipgrid is an activity where the participants can record their own video up to 90 seconds. It was just to introduce all of them. So this is a collaborative activity. And the day one toppers are as follows. Then coming to day two, it was creation of interactive videos using HYP, Edpuzzle and Vizia, where in between the videos we can add questions so that we can attract the students or participants' attention. And these are the different toppers of day two quiz. The additional activity of day two for collaboration was VoiceThread. VoiceThread is also another platform where we can add our comments to the slide which is given. We can add text or audio or video messages. Various participants have given the text messages for this particular question. And coming to day three, it was taking online classes. Chandrasekhar sir, Manjunath sir, Loknath sir, Sridevi ma'am and myself have taken various different web conferencing tools. And then coming to the additional activity, it is Linoit. It is a digital notice board where we can post our stick up notes. And coming to day four, it is online assessments. Online assessments, we have created quizzes, Quizlet, Google Forms and different mathematical equations and regression expressions in Google Forms by Rajni ma'am, Harita ma'am and Purna sir. And the additional activity for the day four was a discussion form in the Genomio. Different participants have given their views on pros and cons of the online assessments. And these are the toppers of day four. Coming to day five, it is digital lesson. Purna sir and myself have given test teach with Blundspace and Nearpod and Google Sites. And here are the day 5 quiz toppers. The additional activity for day 5 was Padlet, which is also a digital notice board. where all the participants have given their feedback on this particular FTP. Now I request Purna sir to take over this.
Thank you, madam. So I could say because of this corona pandemic, and we are having so much online learning and teaching, and the timetable what we are attending, all these sessions are clashing together. So because of this, we want to give the option to the participants, to the faculty, to give the freedom to learn the things in their flexible times. Okay, so that is what we came with the self-paced FTP. So this idea we have taken, and we requested our department faculty, our EC family. They have extended their support within less time. We have created all the content. We have total 10 instructors from our department. So with their support and HOD sir support, within less time we created all these whatever you have seen the video lectures and everything. So it went well. So now, so it is the time whether our thing is reached to you or not, that we want to let you know, let us know from you. So now it is time for feedback. Now I request the participants to please give your name in chat box, so that I will call you for this oral feedback. I request the participants to use the chat box. You just give your name, I will call you. First we will go with Arvind Kumar sir. Arvind Kumar sir, you can unmute yourself and please introduce yourself and then proceed.
Sir, hello. Good evening, all.
Yes, sir. You can write.
Hello, sir. Good evening, all. Am I audible?
Yes,
hello?
sir. Yes, sir. You are audible. You are pretty much audible. You can go ahead, sir.
Sir, this conference, this workshop is so excellent. The videos are very good, and the presentation, everything was so good, sir. And the usage of the website is very excellent. Actually, learning management system they used very well. It is proper learning, and everything was very good, sir. Actually, it is an excellent presentation by our beloved organization. I like you. I am proud of this part of this organization. Very great to be in this team. I feel great, sir. Very good, good workshop.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Now I request S. Vijay Kumar sir. Sir, now you can unmute yourself. Just give your introduction, then you can go ahead.
Yeah, good evening, Ananda. Sir, am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are audible. You can go ahead.
This is S. Vijay Kumar from Andhra College of Engineering. I'm from PhD department, assistant professor. I'm working as assistant professor. So from the day one onwards, it will be very useful, sir. From the Genome site and Google Forms, and so I have learned so many online teaching methodologies in this session, sir. From the first day, I'm not my network is not supported, but the second day onwards, Bindu Madam is taking so much initiation to join in this. I would like to thank you, Bindu Madam, for sending so many messages in my WhatsApp and joining with this wonderful session. Really, and thanks to Bindu Madam. And I would like to thank all the faculty members for giving this wonderful session. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words. Now I request Dr. Suresh Kumar. Sir, you can unmute yourself. Please introduce yourself and you can proceed.
Yeah, this is Dr. Suresh Kumar from Sri Ramakrishna Engineering College, Coimbatore.
Yes, sir, you can go.
This FDP is, I would say, it's really fantastic. The organization, and it's a very good example for complete teamwork from the Department of ECE Spruti Engineering College. I particularly appreciate the great efforts put forth by Mr. Purna and Ms. Bindu. I think they are on their toes for the entire week. It is really fantastic. I am very happy to be a part of this workshop. I mean, this FDP. I know Mr. Purna. I worked with him. I mean, in the FDP that we have participated at CIT College, Coimbatore. So great efforts from your side. It's really a good service to the teaching community. Thank you. Good luck.
Thank you so much, sir. With all your support, you were able to do all these things. Thank you so much, sir, for your words. Now I
Thank you.
request Nathan, sir.
Good evening, one and all present in this forum. I am Dr. Nathan from Mechanical Engineering Department of Dr. Mahalingam College of Engineering and Technology, Pollachi, Tamil Nadu. This virtual teaching FTP is very useful for those who have attended this online self-paced FTP. I think this is the time to learn these type of techniques. Before attending this FDP, I know only Google Form how to use it, and now I have learned many techniques like H5P, Quizzy, and many more screencastify, screencast-o-matic, and many more techniques I have learned, and also I have understood how to make the online presentation become very interesting by adding some interactive questions like quizzes, additional multiple choice questions, and true or false or interactive questions, so that the students also get interested when they are not attending in person. So I am very grateful to attend this FDP, and also I am very much thankful to the team of ECE Department of Spruti Engineering College for organizing this wonderful FDP. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you so much, sir. Now let me know because you can use chat box. I request all the participants who wants to give the oral feedback, please use the chat box. Give your name, I will call you, because this is the time to let us know the feedback, because we too learning by teaching. The other faculty participants were unable to come online to give their voice. I request them to use the chat box to give their feedback. Meanwhile, I will come back to you. Just you please use the chat box. So as you know, we have 10 instructors from our department. They have given so much knowledge on different tools, coming from online video creation and taking online classes and conducting online assessments and putting all these together to deliver a lesson called digital lesson. So like this, the instructors, they have given so much knowledge on different tools. Now I request one of the instructor, Lokanath sir, assistant professor from our CC department, to share his views and his experience. Lokanath sir, are you there?
Hello. Hello. Is it audible?
Yes sir.
Good evening to all. I'm very happy to be a part of this FDP in both angles, by as an instructor and as a participant also. So here, wherever I have some knowledge from the
Lokanath sir. Lokanath sir, sorry for the disturbance. Lokanath sir, I think some echo is coming, sir. If you are using two
Yes,
devices, you please use one device, either mobile or a
no,
laptop.
I'm using only a single device now.
Some echo is coming, sir. Please make sure that you can proceed.
Yes, is it clear?
Now it's okay.
I think so. Echo is coming from your side only.
Oh, just wait, sir. Now you proceed. Sir, you can proceed, sir. You can continue.
Hello.
Yes, sir. You can continue.
Hello. Is it audible?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. I'm Loknath Reddy, assistant professor, DC department, belongs to Spurti Engineering. I'm very happy so that I am taking part in this FDP as an instructor as well as a participant. So as an instructor, I have introduced a small app regarding intermedia where we can connect our online meeting with a database tool. So I learned that app and I have shared this to all the participants. And from my department also, I have learned different apps which we have placed in this FDP. So it is an excellent program where I have gone for learning myself about different apps. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir, for your support. Within less time, you have given a wonderful session on the online tool to conduct the meetings. So let me go back to the chart. Let me know.
Purna sir, voice is very low.
Okay, sir. Sorry. Now is that okay, sir? My voice?
Yeah, yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Now I request the other instructor, Shailaja madam. Madam, you can unmute yourself. Please share your thoughts and views on this FTP and your session.
Okay, sir. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, HOD sir, secretary sir, and all the faculty members, internal and external, all the participants. First of all, I congratulate Bindu madam and Purna sir for their efforts for starting this FDP. And I'm thankful to you both because I am one of the instructor. First time we are the instructor as well as participant. I don't say this is as an instructor, but I say that just whatever I have learned from the course I have done through online, that only I have just shared using the whatever Screencast-O-Matic and Screen Castify. Using that only I have recorded and I have shared it. So whatever, this is simply a mutual sharing of the knowledge, I feel. And the conduction and total organization is very well done, and I congratulate all the participants for successful completion of the participants. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, madam. So now let us move to the HOD sir message. Now I invite our beloved HOD sir, Dr. N. Suresh. Please, you can unmute yourself, sir. I request you to give your words.
Yeah, I'm audible, Purna sir?
Yes, sir. You can go ahead.
Respected Secretary sir, my dear faculty friends, our valuable faculty participants, very good evening to everyone. So I'm also warmly welcome everyone to this 1 week online virtual teaching FTP validation program. So I hope I understood that all participants are very much happy. You learned many things from this virtual teaching FTP. Whatever you people's learned, please you try to implement in your teaching profession. That is the outcome for this FTP. That is only our main motto also. So finally, it should reach to students. That is only our main expectations. Then I'm very much happy the way our department faculties coordinated this FTP. It is simply superb. So the way they started the program, so they initiated the FTP program. So they designed the curriculum, they designed the module. So then all our faculties, they participated actively acted as a resource person. So I'm very much happy based on your feedback, whatever you people said, your feedback. So I'm very much happy. I'm the HOD of EC Department, Sport Engineering College. I'm also congratulate our all EC faculty members. Special congrats to all resource person as well as for FDP coordinators, Ms. Bindu Bhavani Madam and Mr. Purna Chandra sir. Thank you so much for your effort. So I'm also convey my sincere thanks to our management and the secretary sir. So now also actually our secretary sir he was in driving. So based on my request he joined. So we are very much thankful to your support and whatever your motivation sir. With your support only we are doing these all those activities frequently for the society as well as for the teaching community. So once again, I convey my sincere thanks to everyone. So all the best, good luck. Thank you so much for these opportunities for me.
Thank you so much, sir. As you said, this is our teamwork. This is the success of our department. So in this Corona time, whatever the possible ways we have used, whether mobile phone is there or laptop is there, with that facilities, we have created these kind of videos. So thank you for your support, sir. Uh, Before going to the next, I request all the participants who are sending messages in group related some doubts. We will be assisting you after this session. Please be with us in this way. So now I request our Honorable Secretary Sir, Jagan Mohan Reddy Sir, to address this gathering.
Yeah, good evening, everybody. Congrats to the EC department for conducting this kind of FDP, which in need of the hour because of maybe it's a pandemic situation. And now everybody is feeling it's a mandatory to develop skills which can be useful in an online mode or digital mode. Earlier also, people last 4 or 5 years onwards enthusiastic faculty members are learning these all ICT tools, part of this outcome-based education to enhance their teaching skills and to give a better learning experience for the students. But now it has become mandatory. It is not somebody's choice. And in such situations, and EC department faculty who are very active in learning things in online mode, and which I'm seeing for last 2-3 years, and I'm very happy that you are willing to share whatever knowledge you acquired to the teaching communities. That's very important, sharing of knowledge. And any teachers, normally that's what we do in our profession, is we share our knowledge with students and colleagues also. It's very important. Until unless we also, whatever knowledge is acquired is also somebody is given knowledge, and it's our duty to share our knowledge with everybody, and indirectly it enhance our skill set also. By sharing the knowledge, always it will improve us, and in peer group, and definitely it's more challenging, and we will try to do well, and we will get lot of questions, and automatically it improves our knowledge base. And not only teaching learning, and we have to use these ICT tools and in your assessment also. And we all know, especially engineering education, it should be activity based, and conducting activities in a classroom is a different thing, and online mode is again it's another challenge for the faculty, and we must raise to the occasion. We should know how to make it our classroom experience, means virtual classroom experience, online mode, and how to do this laboratory things, because end of the day engineering is a practical thing, and how to conduct our practicals in online mode also. That these kind of things, and assessment, your teaching learning, and making it activity based, and projects, maybe how to do the projects in online also, and how to guide the student. All these things are the skill set required, and in the right time, when people are thinking about it, and people are willing to learn also in such situation. And for EC department, this taking this initiative, and all the resource persons from the department come forward to share the knowledge. And I could hear the participants' feedback. They are all really happy because most of the colleges things happen. People are conducting, but very few institutions or few organizations take it seriously and they try to uh, give the skill and knowledge as per promised. That is very important because end of the day, it's any attending FDP or any program is not a certificate. How much knowledge we got from that program is most important. Then only it is going to help us in our profession, and it is going to help the students, and so that we can share our knowledge and we can use this skill. And like this, wherever we get the opportunity, we must learn. And all of you are aware also. My duty is to remind you. There is ACT is also insisting this teaching skills. There is 8 modules are there, and they have kept a separate website exclusive for this technical teaching training institution. It is mandatory now. Those skills also, and everybody's must, and you should clear that. And then otherwise you will lose the eligibility to work in a technical institution. And make why I'm reminding you means make use of this time, because now whatever offline mode, whatever you used to do, right now we are not doing it. Make use of in our facility, because when in regular mode you'll be in commuting, and you'll be with so much of academic responsibilities. If you willingly also, you are unable to focus. But right now you got a little bit time for yourself, so that you can concentrate and utilize this time to get the required certification, means required skill set and required knowledge which are useful for your profession, subject wise, profession wise. And once again, I congratulate everybody, and I congratulate the participant for sparing their valuable time. And it's a continuous, so whenever it's a 5-day FTPs, means maintaining their focus from first day to last day, it's not so easy, because you will be having other responsibility also. That shows your commitment towards the profession, and willing to learn the new things, updating yourself. And that is really, it's to be appreciated. Congratulate you, and hope that these 5 days had made you a better professional, better faculty, so that in turn it is going to help the society. And wish you all the best, and thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir, with your support and our director's support and all its support. We have been conducting several FDPs and workshops and webinars, and we are continuing the same to meet the faculty's needs in online also. Thank you for your support, sir. And I could say we are glad that we are learning from experiences in online. So we have so many of sources. So from that sources, we have been learning so many things. So in this process, our coordinator, Ms. Bindu Bhavani Madam, also gone through one FTP at CIT in online mode, and she has learned this Genomio. And immediately after that FTP, she came up with this idea and she implemented this FTP in very good manner. So now I request our coordinator, Ms. Bindu Bhavani Madam, to present the vote of thanks. Madam, over to you.
I thank all the faculty members from our department for sharing their videos and helping me in creating this course. And I thank our HOD, Dr. N. Suresh sir, our director, Dr. NVS Ramprasad sir, our secretary, Sri S. Jaganmohan Reddy sir, for their encouragement to conduct this FTP in successful manner. Finally, I thank all the participants for their active participation to make this FTP successful. Thank you.
Thank you so much, madam. I must convey my sincere thanks to this Genomio platform, because we must say thanks to our online tools also, and sincere thanks to this Google Meet. And as I said every time, we must thank our Corona. So in this way, only we are thanking. So let us pray God will be having the more good days to come. So So after this, I will be having a Janaganamana so that officially we will close this session. But after that, just please be in online. We will be sharing our feedback form. So once you done with the feedback form, so that you can. So I request please be with us. Just give me 1 second.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you everyone spending your valuable time in this our valedictory session. We hope whatever the learnings we have gained from this FTP that you are going to implement in your teaching profession. So that is what our outcome. So now I request all the participants. Already Bindu madam shared the feedback form. I request all the participants please go through that feedback and give the feedback. So officially we closed our valedictory session. So after filling the Google form, the participants can give the feedback. Thank you. And related to other doubts like whether we will content, whether we are providing the same Genomio for the latter days also, that we will come to know because we need to use this Genomio platform to conduct the same FDP with to other faculty friends. So for that reason, we will be giving you all the videos put together in one place that we will be sharing you in our WhatsApp. So other than this, if you have any doubts, our group is always live. But whatever our virtual teaching WhatsApp group, please be in that virtual teaching FTP. Please try to share your learnings, the new learnings, and whatever the exploring within the learnings, so that every participant in our group can learn from each other. So the one doubt is this platform available for the next few days? The same platform we may not provide you because we need to take the other session for other participants, but we will be providing you all the resources, the video lectures and the self-assessments with other platform. That is what Linktree platform will be there, that very soon after this session we will be sharing with you. Other than that, if you are having doubts, please use our WhatsApp group so that we will assist you. So whoever completed this feedback form after submitting, please you can leave this meeting. Thank you.